wasn't enough. You couldn't see through the rough. Every word, every tear fell to the ground. Now I'm leaving, don't want to be found. You never noticed the pain in my eyes, or the silent cries, the long goodbyes. Maybe one day you'll realize what you lost when you let me fly. When I'm gone, you'll understand the love we had slipping through your hands. In the echoes of an empty room, you'll see the shadows of our doom. You took for granted all we had. Now the memories, they make me sad. I tried to hold on, tried to fight, but your love was out of sight. In the silence you hear my name. Feel the sorrow, feel the shame. Maybe then you'll feel the cost of the love that you have lost. When I'm gone, you'll understand the love we had slipping through your hands. In the echoes of an empty room, you'll see the shadows of our doom. In the night, when you're all alone, you miss the warmth, the love you've known. And in those moments, you feel the pain, wishing you could hold me again. So now I walk away, heart in hand, leaving behind what we had planned. One day soon, you'll see it clear, what you lost when I was here. When I'm gone, you'll understand the love we had slipping through your hands. In the echoes of an empty room, you'll see the shadows of our doom. When I'm gone, you know the truth. Feel the weight of what you lose. In the silence you'll see the plan. When I'm gone, you'll understand.